Welcome everyone. So today we're going to solve a very nice word problem. The question is, what should be the least number of years in which the simple interest on rupees 2600 at 6 to third rate will be an exact number. So this is percentage. This was not given in the question. So here what we will do is, see, this is very simple, but still people did not understand, because here in simple interest formula, it is what you need to multiply principal with number of years with rate upon 100. Now our thing, what they've given us is, they have given us principal, which is 2600. They have given us rate, which is 6000, sorry, 6 to third. Okay, but they have told us to find n. And the sad part is, they have not told us the simple interest, but they have given us the hint that the least number, okay, of years we need to find. And in this has to be an exact number, means it should not have any decimal place. Okay, so in this case, what you will do, so first thing what we can do is, see, we'll put the formula of simple interest, which is what, p, which is 2600 into r. Now r is given in the mixed form, 6 to third. So we'll convert it into improper form. Okay, now how is that done? All you have to do is just multiply 6 and 3, and then you add whatever answer you get with that, with the numerator, which is 2. So 6 into 3 plus 2 upon 3, that gets you 20 upon 3. This gets you 20 upon 3 into n, which we need to find, upon 100. So now this is where a lot of people don't make a very silly error. Okay, they think that whenever you have a fraction and then there is a denominator, they do not understand how to do this. Okay, so your very important thing to remember is that, see, numerator upon denominator divided by, let's say, a. This looks like this has to be done in this way, numerator upon a into the denominator. Okay, so using the same logic, we will say this can be written as 2600 into 20 into n upon 3 into 100. So the zeros are cancelling, but apart from them nothing else is cancelling. So here, now see, again we have two unknowns. We do not know the simple interest, nor we know the number of years, but we know one very important thing, that we need to find the least number of years, and we need to make sure that the simple interest is an exact number, means there are no decimal points in the answer. Now see, any number when divided by 3, okay, especially if you know, if the denominator, if the numerator is not getting cancelled by 3, your by default your answer will be something in points. Okay, so for you to get the answer in terms of a proper number, we need to make sure that the value of this n comes out to be 3 or multiples of 3. But now since they have told us the least number, so the least value of n should be what, just 3. Okay, I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.